Wondering how to create this retro effect for your images? Let's open Photoshop and convert our image into a smart object. After that, go to Adjustments and select Levels. Adjust the middle slider and hit OK. Then convert your image to black and white. Now let's apply Reticulation Filter and adjust the sliders until you like the outcome. Add one more filter by hitting this little icon. We'll use Conte Crayon Filter with Brick Texture. Drop a grunge texture above all the layers. Set the blend mode to difference. And play with the opacity and fill options until you like your result. As a final touch, you can add a gradient map. Check our website pixelbuddha.net if you want to make this and other amazing effects in a few simple clicks. Follow for more useful design content.